Hey guys! I recently had to make some cards for a friend, and this was one of them. It's a simple yet lovely card, and I remade it to share the step-by-step process with you all. So let's get to it. To make this card, I used the following tools: Quilling slotted tool, scissors, tweezers, regular white glue, quilling comb, quilling crimper tool, and lastly, a quilling circle ruler. Okay, you start by making the stem of the leaves, and to do that you fold the paper strip in half and glue the two halves together like so. You'll need to make quite a few of these. After finishing them all, let the stems dry for a few minutes. Next step is making the leaves. Insert a paper strip in the slotted tool, like you see me doing here, and start rolling. Once you have reached the end, remove it from your slotted tool and place it inside circle number 13 so that it can loosen up inside that size. Then, with the help of your tweezers, pick it up and add a tiny dot of glue to prevent it from further loosening. Press it between your fingers and shape it like you see me doing here. Afterwards, make another such shape and glue the two halves together to make a leaf. Repeat the same process for the remainder of the leaves. Now comes the fun part of making the flower. First step is curling the paper strip with the help of the quilling crimper tool. Afterwards, make a loop at one of the ends of the paper strip, like so. Insert the loop on 2 or 3 pins of the comb so that it stays secure. And then start rolling your paper strip over 2 pins each time until you reach the end. Remember to add a dot of glue at the bottom side each time you roll the paper strip over 2 more pins. When you have come to the end, glue the paper strip and remove the petal from the quilling tool. You can then shape it a little bit like so. Make a total of 5 petals for the flower and also a couple of buds. The buds are made exactly the same way as the petals. To make the center of the flower, I first loosen the tenseness of the paper strip to make it more flexible. Then I start rolling it between my fingers to make a tight coil. You can also use a quilling slotted tool for this part. To shape it, I'm using a quilling dome ruler, but you can also do that with your fingers or with any small round object you have around the house. And the last part is gluing all the elements to the card. I made a few more stems with a different green, just for a little more color. I made them in the same way as the stems of the leaves. Also, the base card is made from 300 GSM paper. The thicker the better, because it prevents the paper from warping when you glue all the quilling elements on top of it. And yeah, that's about all there is to it. If you enjoyed seeing this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate that. And feel free to share it with others. Thank you!